When finding limits, these are two useful trig identities that you can use to help as a shortcut to solve them faster. The first one is that if you have a limit that's leading to a 0 over 0 case, where the function found inside the sign is found on the opposite side of the division, you can simply apply this quick and fast identity to get an answer of 1. And the other one is if you have 1 minus cosine or cosine minus 1, and the same thing is true about the function inside the cosine being found on the opposite side of the division, then you can simply do a shortcut and say that it equals 0. And in cases like these ones, you don't initially have a function that fits the template, but you can really easily force it to fit by simply multiplying in a giant one like this. And once you do that, it matches the identity, where you have your function here, and it's reflected in the denominator, meaning you can apply the sign identity. But because there's this extra 2 here, that would carry over, and your answer would be 2 instead of 1. For other cases like this one, you can do that multiple times, where you multiply in one giant 1, cancel out the first sign function, and then you multiply in another giant 1 so that you can cancel out the second sign function, and you'll be left with a simple ratio. And finally, to apply that cosine one, here's a few extra cases that work with it. Because this main identity will lead to 0, it doesn't matter if you have a constant being multiplied like 7 here, it'll always be 0. And likewise, just remember that it can be 1 minus cosine x or cosine x minus 1.